Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eng Sayyad Auto Academy. Today we are going to learn about transmission basics, operation of transmission, type of transmission, transmission lineups. Okay, what are the components, main components of transmission? Okay, today we will start from the lineup. Okay, we will learn one by one. Okay, let's go start from the transmission lineup first. Let's go. Yes, today we are going to learn transmission, basic transmission, and the first topic, transmission lineup. First topic, we will start from lineups. How many types of transmissions, and what are the codes, and how to confirm what type of transmission it is. Let's start. Okay, next. The first content is transmission lineup today. Okay, next. Okay. How many transmissions available in Exceed and Cherry? Okay, there are started from manual transmission, MT means manual transmission. There is a DCT, dual clutch transmission, wet, and CVT, continuously variable transmission, and the AT, automatic transmission, and DST, it's a hybrid transmission. Okay, so we will learn the how many transmission available in manual. Okay, the codes for the transmission starts from the QR 516 MHA and QR 625 MHB, QR 525 MHJ for the manual transmission. Okay, and next category is DCT, dual clutch transmission, wet type. Okay, the dual clutch transmission codes QR626 DHA. DCT means dual clutch transmission, wet type. The DCT transmission code starts from QR626 DHA. Manual starts from MHA, MHB, and DCT starts from DHA, DHB, and DHA. What is the QR? This is codes QR626 DHA, QR730 DHB, QR738 DHA. Okay, DHA means DCT transmission, MH means manual transmission. Okay, next is CVT codes are like QR018 CHA. This is different. The DCT is DHA, the CVT is CHA, and manual transmission MHA. There are two transmission in CVT. One is 018 CHA, another one is 025 CHA. QR025 CHA. Only two models in CVT transmission. And the next category, automatic transmission. Automatic transmission has only one model, the QR840 AHA. You can see the difference in the alphabets in the end. These alphabets will get a confirmation of different transmission, which kind of transmission that particular vehicle has. We can confirm like this. Okay, this next automatic transmission, we have only one model transmission, and the next transmission is hybrid transmission. Hybrid transmission, we have two type of hybrid transmission in Exceed and Cherry. How the hybrid transmission code we confirm? QR130 HHA. HHA came, then it is hybrid transmission. And QR351 HHA. HHA means hybrid transmission. AHA automatic. CHA CVT. You can confirm easily. You have to remember this one. So whatever the last alphabets coming, DHB, DHA, AMHA, MHB, CHA, CHB, AHA, AHB, AH, CH, these are the confirmation codes of type of transmission. Okay, next, the code. Where is the code located on the transmission codes? Serial number, batch code, where it is located? That is located on the upper face of the transmission case. It was punched, and there is also sticker sticked on upper body of transmission case with a QR code. You can confirm from there. What is the code means? QR means what? QR means manufacturer number. And the second 525 MHJ transmission model. What model type? What is the type of transmission? How many speed? What is the torque? This one, the 525 MHJ shows the speed and the torque of the transmission and the type of the transmission. And the 17001 HA last codings are serial codings are that indicates factory, it where it is manufacturer. Okay. Next. Okay, we will see the complete definitions of transmission codes, how it was segregated, what digit means what. Okay, QR means, we can see here the manual transmission. QR means what? QR means manufacturer, and 5 means number of forward gears in the transmission. How many number of forward gears in the transmission? 25 means maximum input torque of the transmission. For example, 25 means stands for 250 Nm torque. 25 means 250 Nm torque. 5 means 5 speed gears. M means transmission type. M means what? MT, manual transmission. If it is coming there C means what? CVT. If coming here D means DCT. If coming here AHA, if it is A, it is automatic transmission. If coming here H, it means hybrid transmission. Okay. How many types of transmission we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types of transmission. Per transmission, what speed? The manual transmission we have QR 5 speed, 250 Nm torque. M manual transmission. H arrangement, horizontal arrangement of transmission. And type A, revised type A means first category. A, B like this. H means horizontal, horizontally arranged. Okay, not vertically. DCT transmission we have 7 speed gearbox, 300 Nm torque, 30 means 300 Nm torque, and D means DCT, dual clutch transmission, red type. And transmission arrangement, this transmission also horizontally arranged, the horizontally arranged transmission. And A means this first category revised engine. If it is coming B, that is second category. Okay, facelift gearbox. The third type of transmission, CVT, QR 0. In CVT there are no gears. The CVT works only with the 2 pulleys. Okay, that's why they mentioned 0, because continuously variable transmission it is. There are no gears separation. Okay, 25 it is giving 250 Nm torque it generates. C means CVT type of transmission. This transmission also horizontally arranged. The transmission arrangement is horizontally, and the first category there is no B type. In automatic transmission, we have 8 speed automatic transmission, 8 forward gears. Okay, and 450 Nm torque. And this is A means what? 80 automatic transmission. This is also arranged horizontally. Okay, and this is also A type. This is the first category of transmission, A type. Last, the updated currently we are using in electric cars, PHEV cars. These are the hybrid transmission, DHT. The hybrid transmission only one gear, 300 Nm torque. Horizontally, this H means hybrid transmission, and arranged H horizontally arranged transmission. This also. B type means revised engine, revised type transmission. Today we learn the transmission lineup. Okay, short and informatively. If you want more videos, this kind of technical related issues, any technical issues like electric, IC engines, hybrid engines, whatever issues do you have, please comment and ask us. We will help you out. And if you are learning, studying engineering, automotive, mechanical, whatever the questions you have, we can help you out anytime. You can reach out us by commenting in our channel. Please subscribe our channel. Please comment, like, share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further more updates of our videos. Thank you.